Today we'll be previewing yet another beautiful Oldsmobile Cutlass. This one, the 1970. A fresh restoration. And it's got some 442 lookalikes. But when you look at this body, you'll see exactly why I have fallen in love with this lady. So less than 500 miles on the restoration. We've had quite a few Cutlasses here at Auto World of Conway in the 18 years that we've been in business. And this is one of the exceptional examples. As you can see here in this video, exactly just how stunning the paint and body on this car is. So this is a very well optioned car, which has power steering and disc brakes, power top, 12-volt rear, functioning air conditioning. Wow, what a gorgeous car. The iconic BFG TA radials. And this top is power, and we'll operate that here, exercise it in just a moment. That's a Hartz cloth top. I love it when I see those. They just look so much more luxurious than the vinyl tops. But that's just my opinion. They are more expensive, that's for sure. Painted rallies to match the car. And there's that hood. Fits absolutely perfectly if you look at those gaps. Stripes are underneath the clear, so no ridge can be felt with your fingernail. So I've got the top unlatched. Operate it this way. Everybody loves a convertible, me included. There's a console, the shifter in the middle. Now the clock does not function on this car. The air conditioning does, the wipers. The radio does not. It seems like it's stuck at 108. We'll fire this lady up here in just a moment. Again, I want you to be able to see every little chip right there. Touch that up. So full seat belts. You see the retractors, new carpet. I venture to say almost everything on this car is either new or been touched. Now these handles, those will be changed. I've got a new set on order. Not sure why, but all four of those window cranks look like they came from the advanced help section. So this car again has been completely disassembled and reassembled during the restoration. Oh, look at these stripes. Oof. Get to the power plant in just a minute. I know you're excited to see that, but it's coming here in just momentarily. Window cranks make me cringe. That's okay. Easily remedied. How nice this door skin is. Absolutely beautiful. Also has a driver remote mirror. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. There, almost. Grace is my middle name. An original 350 cubic inch engine, stock manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes. See the trim tag, up close pictures there on our website. 342 indicating this is a Cutlass, not a 442. An upgraded aluminum radiator, looks like a 3-row. So what do you say? Go fire her up. Oh yeah. Air conditioning max. There you go, cold air condition. See the compressor engaged there. Run her down the road. If I can get these. Oh, it's good there. All right, let's do it. Actually, we'll turn this off. No need. So this is our main dealership. We have 2 locations. This is our late model location. Beautiful American flag. And our classics and specialty division, actually there, let's see, we get those 2 leaving tomorrow. Laguna Seca and a 70 Corvette convertible. Shipping out to wonderful customers of ours on the East Coast. So we do these videos for full transparency. Again, we want you to know exactly what to expect to arrive in your driveway. So it's one of my pleasures to be able to do this. Experience these cars in your absence. So let's head on down the road. So the nice thing about this car is it's so tight. It's nice. Fresh restoration, the steering, you're the 3rd gear there. See, we're doing 65. Look at the steering wheel. About 98 degrees. degrees, I think, now here in Conway, South Carolina. It's still a pleasure to be able to drive a 70 Cutlass with a top down. And 60 miles per hour. Now, these aren't powerhouses like the 455. These 350s, they'll hold their own for sure. We'll go up here and make a left or a right, and we'll take off again so you can hear it shift through the gears. View over the hood of this 1970 Cutlass Supreme here at Automotive Conway, where we always have good cars for good people.